west entrance due south. Waters Strait of Long Delaware, Fuca, until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:46 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a line of thunderstorms along the front capable of producing waterspouts was located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles southwest of Cape Flattery to 14 nautical miles southwest of James Island, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include James Island. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Cape Flattery to James Island out 10 nautical miles, coastal waters from James Island to Point Grenville out 10 nautical miles, and waters from James Island to Point Grenville 10 to 16 nautical miles.
What the fudge?
Today, rain and a slight chance of thunderstorms is... ...12 to 25 inches.
Yep.
Where? Waters Strait of Long Delaware, coastal waters from Cape Flattery to James Island out 10 nautical miles, coastal waters from James Island to Point Grenville out 10 nautical miles, waters from James Island to Point Grenville 10 to 16 nautical miles, until 4:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's 4:04 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. A line of strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along the line extending from near James Island to 27 nautical miles northwest of Point Grenville, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include James Island. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Cape Flattery to James Island out 10 nautical miles, coastal waters from James Island to Point Grenville out 10 nautical miles, and waters from James Island to Point Grenville 10 to 16 nautical miles. Coastal waters from James Island to Point Grenville out 10 nautical miles, and waters from James Island to Point Grenville 10 to 16 nautical miles.